Okay, ladies class final. So Nadia Solinay number 777, and then Laila Goro number 13. So number 3 it's Kylie.
Mas palipay mo.
So sorry guys, wala ko kayo. So shout out sa Zian and Zoe Racing. Boss William De La Cruz, boss. Shout out, boss. So thank you for always support. Boss William De La Cruz from Zian and Zoe from Taguluan. So ladies class final. So nalagay punta diri guys sa Dagumbaan, Maramag, Bukidnon. Ayan na. Wow! All shot! Laila Guro, followed by Kylie and Solinay. So nakauna it's Laila, Kylie and Solinay. So the rest guys, sorry kayo, wala ko kailan ng uban. So ladies class final hit. Ladies class final hit. Ayun, Laila Goro leading the race, followed by Kylie from Zian and Zoe. Okay, 3 laps ready guys, 3 laps. So Solinay on third. Ayan, sorry guys, wala ko kailanin ko parang. The return of the comeback, Laila Goro leading the race from injury. She's now back on the racetrack, Laila Goro. Yan, that's leading the race, Laila Goro. Yan, andyan na Kylie. Solinay on third. White flag Laila. Kylie, white flag. Solinay on third, also waiting for white flag. White flag. Last lap. Kylie on second. Last 2 corner po, Laila Goro for checkered flag. Last 2 corner. Solinay on third. Again, waiting for checkered flag. The return of the comeback, Laila Goro, champion na naman for ladies category. And second, it's Kylie from from Taguluan. And third. Ayan na itong pagkatigan. So, checkered flag. Yun, champion Laila. So, thank you for watching guys. Please share this video. So, thank you.